Have you ever tossed a few slices of beets into your salad or blended them into a smoothie, thinking you were making one of the healthiest choices possible? You're not alone. For decades, beets have been celebrated as one of nature's most powerful superfoods, and for good reason. These vibrant red roots are packed with compounds perfectly suited for seniors who want to protect their heart, sharpen their memory, and maintain their energy. Inside every beet, you'll find natural nitrates that relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation and lowering blood pressure. You'll also find betylanes, the pigments that give beets their deep red color, working as antioxidants to fight inflammation, protect your liver, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. Add in fiber, folate, potassium, iron, and magnesium, and you have a vegetable that can support nearly every system in your body. But here's the surprising truth. Even though beets are incredibly nutritious, many people aren't getting their full benefits. Small mistakes in the way you prepare, cook, or store beets can actually rob them of their healing power, and in some cases, even put your health at risk. Imagine drinking a beet smoothie that spikes your blood sugar instead of stabilizing it, or tossing away the part of the beet that holds its most potent nutrients. That's why today, we're revealing 12 common mistakes seniors make when eating beets and how you can avoid them. Some of these may surprise you, and mistake number 2 could truly shock you. So if you love beets or want to start adding them to your diet for better energy, circulation, and longevity, stay with us until the end. You'll discover how to unlock their full health potential and also learn who should be cautious when eating them. Mistake number 12 is throwing away the peel. Most seniors don't realize that when you peel a beet, you're discarding one of the most nutrient-packed parts of the vegetable. That thin, sometimes rough skin isn't just protective. It's where the highest concentrations of antioxidants and fiber are found. The bright pigments, betylanes, are especially concentrated near the skin and help your liver detox, reduce inflammation, soothe aching joints, and protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, the very stress that accelerates aging. Peeling also removes fiber, which supports digestion, keeps you fuller longer, and slows the absorption of natural sugars, helping to stabilize energy and protect your heart. The solution is simple. Stop peeling and start scrubbing. A quick rinse under running water with a vegetable brush removes dirt without stripping nutrients. Once cooked, the skin softens and blends naturally with the flesh. And if you dislike the texture, you can remove it after cooking when fewer nutrients are lost. Mistake number 11 is not using seasonings. Have you ever tasted plain boiled beets and thought, well, that tastes earthy? Many seniors find beets bland simply because they forget a simple secret. The right companions bring out their natural sweetness and power. Beets are rich in nitrates, fiber, and antioxidants, but pairing them with complementary ingredients enhances absorption and flavor. A splash of lemon juice or balsamic vinegar brightens flavor and helps your body absorb iron more effectively, protecting against fatigue and supporting circulation. Olive oil adds healthy fats that aid in absorbing fat-soluble antioxidants, protecting your eyes, skin, and heart. Herbs like dill, thyme, or rosemary bring extra polyphenols that work with betylanes to calm inflammation and support joint health. Even in smoothies, a bit of ginger or citrus enhances both flavor and health benefits. Beets are never meant to be eaten plain. The right seasonings transform them into a superfood powerhouse. Mistake number 10 is using old, wrinkled beets. Choosing the wrong beet can rob your body of essential nutrients. Fresh beets are firm with smooth skin and deep color, indicating high levels of vitamin C, folate, potassium, and antioxidants that protect the heart and immune system. Wrinkled, shriveled beets lose nutrients rapidly, and their texture becomes dry, woody, and bland. Seniors who rely on soft, easy-to-chew foods may find old beets unpleasant and harder to digest. To pick the right ones, select small to medium beets with smooth skin, trim the greens, store in a breathable bag in the fridge, and they'll stay fresh up to 3 weeks, preserving their nutrition. Treat beets as the superfood they are, fresh, firm, and vibrant, and your energy and circulation will benefit. Mistake number 9 is discarding the greens. Many toss beet greens without realizing they are a nutrient-dense superfood. Packed with vitamin K, calcium, iron, magnesium, vitamins A and C, antioxidants, and fiber, Beet greens support bones, muscles, heart, and digestion. Seniors benefit greatly, as vitamin K helps direct calcium to bones rather than arteries, and magnesium supports heart rhythm and nerve health. Beet greens can be sautéed, blended into smoothies, chopped into salads, or added to soups, delivering a versatile, low-calorie, nutrient-rich boost. Stop seeing greens as scraps. They are a free health-boosting gift attached to the root. Mistake number 8 is forgetting salt during cooking. Boiling or steaming beets in plain water diminishes both flavor and nutritional impact. Salt draws out their natural sweetness, preserves texture, and helps your body utilize key minerals like potassium and magnesium. Even a small amount of Himalayan or sea salt transforms bland beets into a flavorful, nutrient-preserving dish. By seasoning early, you unlock sweetness, protect antioxidants, and set the stage for a heart and joint-supporting meal. Mistake number 7 is wasting the canned beet liquid. That deep red liquid is loaded with betylanes, potassium, folate, and magnesium, nutrients that reduce oxidative stress, support liver detoxification, and strengthen bones, muscles, and circulation. Rather than pouring it down the drain, use it as a soup base, smoothie ingredient, salad dressing, or even a natural coloring for baked goods. With a little creativity, this liquid becomes a powerful nutrient boost. Mistake number 6 is not blanching canned beets. A metallic taste from the canning process can make canned beets unpleasant and discourage regular consumption. A quick 1 to 2 minute blanch restores their earthy sweetness without stripping nutrients, ensuring your salads, roasts, and smoothies taste fresh and enjoyable. Mistake number 5 is avoiding canned beets entirely. Many assume only fresh beets count as healthy, but studies show that fiber, folate, potassium, iron, and antioxidants survive canning. For seniors, canned beets are convenient and nutrient-packed. Rinse to remove excess sodium or choose low-sodium varieties. They provide almost the same benefits as fresh beets and save time in the kitchen. Mistake number 4 is only boiling beets. Boiling leaches water-soluble vitamins like C and folate, while softening the texture and muting flavor. Alternate methods like roasting, grilling, steaming, eating raw, or juicing preserve nutrients and bring out natural sweetness, offering a more satisfying and healthful experience. Mistake number 3 is poor storage. Leaving beets untrimmed or exposed to air and light accelerates nutrient loss. Trim the greens, store them separately, refrigerate unwashed in a breathable bag, and cooked beets in airtight containers. Freeze extra beets after cooking for long-term storage. Proper storage keeps beets fresh, sweet, and full of antioxidants. Mistake number 2 is not using beets in desserts. Beets' natural sweetness and moisture make them perfect for brownies, muffins, pancakes, smoothies, and puddings, adding nutrients while reducing refined sugar. Pairing with cocoa enhances flavor and antioxidants. Limiting beets to savory dishes wastes one of their most versatile uses. Mistake number 1 is eating expired canned beets. Consuming spoiled beets can expose seniors to life-threatening bacteria like Clostridium botulinum. Always check for bulging cans, dents, leaks, or foul odors, and never taste test questionable cans. Once opened, store in airtight containers and consume within 3 to 5 days. Respect expiration dates and handle beets safely to protect health. Who should be careful with beets? Seniors prone to kidney stones should limit beets due to oxalates. Those with low blood pressure must monitor intake, as nitrates can lower pressure further. People managing blood sugar need to control portions and pair beets with protein, fiber, or healthy fats. Beets can also interact with certain medications, including blood pressure and diabetes drugs. Moderation and smart pairing keep beets safe and beneficial. In conclusion, beets are a superfood packed with nitrates, antioxidants, and fiber, capable of lowering blood pressure, improving circulation, and boosting energy. But their benefits depend on proper preparation, storage, and mindful consumption. By avoiding mistakes like peeling, discarding greens, ignoring freshness, and misusing canned beets, you unlock their full power. For seniors, this means better heart health, stronger bones, stabilized energy, and protection against oxidative stress. Aging strong isn't about dramatic overhauls, it's about consistent, mindful choices. Every time you prepare a beet the right way, you invest in vitality, clarity, and longevity. Share your favorite beet tip in the comments, try new cooking methods, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Ageless Vitality for more science-backed health tips. Remember, health is built one bite, one habit, and one choice at a time. Stay strong, wise, and vibrant. We'll see you in the next video.